How to turn on or turn off Manage App if unused on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, scroll down and tap on apps that you want to change. And then tap on Manage App if unused. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here say remove permissions if app is unused. So if the app is not being used, certain permission will be removed. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.